Hey everyone, it's Fireball here, welcome back to a vlog. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my motorbike. It's a Honda 70 CRF. And yeah, this video is requested by my cousin and friend Oakley. Is key on? Yep, key's on. There's Hope's drinking water. There's Hope's drinking water. Alright. Let's try to start it without this without this tablet getting dropped. Alright. What happened? I don't know. Please hold. Alright, I think that's better. Dang it. Oh. There we go. And it conks out. I was gonna have a little ride, but guess we're gonna have to turn the choke on or off, whatever it is. It's pretty hard trying to ride just the camera. Oh. Alright. And there you go, guys. This is my motorbike. Oakley's been asking me to do this for a couple of days now. But if you guys do enjoy this video, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.